Nowadays I just replace and stuff like that recently. Well, as of February 9th of 2025, that is. So yeah. Nowadays I did replace this one, so it looks like a brand new plastic thing. Because there's the old one that came with this, it's not as good. Well, it actually came with the super glue. I just want to look nice and new on this. And including the fan, I also replaced the fan. I did plug it in and it works. I even replaced the DVD recording drive because this thing that was in there, but it was kind of doesn't always work because, well, here are the reasons. This accidentally broke the ribbon piece. I'm glad I got a spare one. Does work pretty good. Okay, does work okay on the DVD side nowadays. I'm gonna do. I did replace this one recently. Well, as of this year, but this for back in 2024, I did add this thing and the this one and this one. They kind of messed up in fixing. I'm glad I didn't make a weird noise when I did this. Just my magnet box, just your DVD combo. Yep, just a little squeak. A little bit squeak. But kind of hard to hear it, but I did this because in case it has too many messing up with the I don't want it sped up in SOP, so yeah. I'm not gonna use this. I'm just gonna put this tape. So this is a very common VHS tape. So this is very easy to find online. Because the use of tapes is very common. It's not rare. I'm putting this a Bugs Life VHS. Worked pretty good. In sound quality and mono and the SP mode copy that was recorded is in good condition. I turn off the hi-fi. I'm using this. Works okay. Now let's do the DVD side. Yeah, this one has been was taken from the old one that doesn't work, which I have the old drive, but the circuit one it's not replaced. The circuit board on the top is not replaced. It had screws on, and it does kind of fix. I did replace the DVD drive. And it does work out pretty good. It does work for some reason, even though I had some little dust. So yeah. I'm not gonna put cars. Yeah, I'll put cars because I'm putting these Pixar DVDs. Put a regular DVD first. Then I'll put the recordable discs, and it does work if it's not. Yeah, it does work pretty good. I think it does work okay. Mostly, it does work pretty good. Mostly. See, but it still works. But I did put it a DVD in, and it works fine. It will just say DVD video if it is It'll just say DVD video if it's a regular DVD. Except the
Coming soon to theaters.
I just put Cars on DVD, the full screen. It is full screen. You probably remember Cars. I just press menu and yeah, it sounds okay. Just skip and I'm just putting on the scenes part. works pretty good now. It does work okay. Since even though I did replace the DVD drive that came with my broken Toshiba DVD VCR recorder, same thing, combo that was not working right before I got this. When I had the old one, I had this recently from the I got it from AKC. That does work a lot better, but except until I accidentally broke the wire piece. It doesn't really work for a little bit. Maybe it has to do with the spinning. Yeah, I don't know. It does kind of not work. So it's kind of, the piece is kind of, yeah. Good. I'm glad I got a spare. Thank goodness I already got a spare. It didn't came with my other Toshiba. It came with the broken. I do have a broken Toshiba DCRD record, but I'm breaking apart a lot. I did that. So yeah, I'm glad I got a spare because I accidentally broke that wire apart, which I wasn't going to. But yeah, and plus I did add tape for the in case it. Yeah, just because I did that. And it's hooked up on like HDMI. So yeah. I'm just gonna eject it. I'm just gonna put a DVD. It does record pretty good, okay, as well. I think does record okay as well. I'm glad I still have an extra DVD recorder. If that one's not working, I can only use the regular DVD player recorder. I'm just gonna use the different one. Yeah, I'll put this. Yeah, it can record on mini discs as well. If it's, I'm putting an RW disc. I do. Okay. Yep, works fine. And since it's an RW, it'll probably work on most DVD players. It'll probably work on any DVD player if it's a minus R. It does work on it'll probably works on regular DVD players. And even though it's is not finalized since it's an RW. But the regular DVD plus R, DVD minus R discs that are not finalized do not play on regular DVD players. It does work on the actual Toshiba DVD recorder only itself. If it's not finalized, that is. Yep. It's kind of like a DVD recording studio. Yeah, this is what it looked like when it's... After you finalize the RW disc, you can still record again for some reason. I'm just gonna shoot mine. I do have channel 3. I have Puppy Bowl. I'm recording. Well, I'm recording Puppy Bowl on the disc up here. I'm just gonna. Does work. I'm gonna record it.
Well, this pooch has a problem. Here comes the rep.
See if it doesn't have any issue problems.
Good. These guys want to have a word with you. Your teammates and I were discussing the fact that you've been hanging out here in the corner a little too long, and we'd like to motivate you. Get that motivation. Wish somebody would lick my face. Thank you. Thank you. All right, now I'm ready to go out there. Are you ready, Clark? Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go.
With that Labrador leaf.
I'm glad I had a spare part for the DVD drive, and it does work. Well, I did replace the DVD drive, but not the, well, I did not replace the circuit board that was on top that came with the HDMI, except that one. That was not replaced. That came with the one. So yeah, I'm gonna stop recording. This is the inside of the DVD recorder that was made in 2011. This was made 2013. This was used to be.
But I'm not sure they'll get away with it. Touchdown. Trio, you scored a touchdown with Princess Sophia. You also disrobed her, or attempted to, dog collar tackle. So it's both. They offset each other, so 0 points on the board, please.
Less than a minute remains in a half.
Okay, I'm just gonna press play.
He's got teammate Gorby by the collar.
Pooch has a problem.
Okay.
Because here comes the ref.
Hey, Clark.
Yeah, it does work pretty good. Well, I did record in EP mode speed, so it's kind of a little bit blurry when it's recorded, but it'll be a lot better if it's recorded in XP or SP or kind of an LP mode. I'm not sure. It'll be a tiny bit blurry if it's recorded in LP mode, but a lot better if it's SP and XP mode. I'll show you. They see this as EP, SP is XP, SP, LP, EP, and SLP. Well, if it's a regular disc, if it's completely blank, if it's a standard disc, it'll probably say if it's XP is 1 hour, SP is 2 hours, LP is 4 hours, EP is 6 hours, and SLP is 8 hours. It's kind of a more than just the actual 8 hours. It's kind of like somewhere during any of the minutes or hours, like 60. If it's 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. It records on 5 speeds. It can have 5 speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it has 5 speeds. I know the VHS tapes can record 3 speeds, SP, LP, and SLP. On this VCR, can only record an SP and SLP. So yeah. Yeah, good thing it works fine. Thank goodness it does work fine. I put the just good up this tape. Does kind of not, doesn't always work on that. Does kind of not work, but see what. Yeah, this is the kind of a little problem with the tracking bar. But watch. See what happens when I screw it back on. So if it's screwed back on, it might hold like right here. I think. See what happens when if it closes. I'm not sure if it's a random video, but yeah. I was too close. You just had to unscrew a little bit. Does work okay. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, I don't know, but I'm not sure if it does count. So yeah, that's all I gotta say to the inside of this VCR DVD recorder combo. Thanks for watching.